Okay? Mine doesn't cry. Okay? He's the one of Bessie cry?
His stomach hurting. He's never acted like that. That's it.
No.
He's holding his diaper funky. And
Well, did he poop?
I don't know. He said poop earlier, but I don't smell it.
Are you videoing?
Stealth poop.
She's videoing.
Scary looking.
I don't smell it. Chase looks like he's eating some, but I don't smell any. That's just so nasty looking.
Hey, bud, what you eating? It's all black. He's like, why are all these people watching me?
If it doesn't come off, it's your dad's fault.
It'll come off. It was all over me.
This is like tar.
He's just eating out of his diaper.
Ooh.
What's it called?
Hey, we're on a budget.
That first poop. The baby's first
Meconium.
Meconium. That's what it looks like.
Yeah, that's tough.
Oh, he's getting it good now.
Was he playing in someone's diaper?
He doesn't care. He's good. It tastes good.
Oh.